Like always, and today we decided to do the Coke
challenge. Okay, I'm just going to interrupt him right now. Before this, we told you that we might be doing the Coke or the Kool-Aid. Actually, we're going to be doing Coke and Kool-Aid. Probably in the next 10 minutes each time. Here is one of the Kool-Aid packets. And we have another one across the table. We'll be probably doing this like 10 minutes after. So for this Coke video, we're just going to have the shot glass.
Yep.
And then we're going to upgrade. Show you
Yes,
yours.
we are.
We're going to upgrade, like this is mine and this is his.
Yes.
And if you think they're not fair, comment or like or both. Alright, if it's not fair, we'll just drink 2 of these and record it. So stay tuned for the next video because we will be doing the
Kool-Aid challenge. Alright, so here it is.
Alright, we can drink it fast. Ready?
Set, go.